Hello my hosts, and welcome to a live programming stream. Today we are going to be programming more of my chatbot. So here we have it. Now the problem we were having is one of the program not loading the settings after a restart. So if we go to play now, you see here, cannot deserialize data in a new instance type setting in blah blah blah. Okay, let's have a look at what. Let's have a look to see if that error is something that people commonly have problems with. Deserial JSON to new instance of type. There we go. Yep. Somebody doing something very similar to what we are doing. Should not be modest. It can only be used for data classes, model behavior components. Which need to be. Ah, okay. So the fact that it's a mono behavior is what is causing the problem. So if we go into settings, where the script is kept, right. So we need to split this up. So we're going to have settings as the mono behavior. Ooh. Say public setting manager mono, that's fine. Actually, right. So we are going to copy across the start and on destroy behavior. Going to remove the actual settings mono behavior stuff. Then we are going to have over here, rather than this, we're going to have actually we'll call it settings S. Place this. I just go S dot. No, it's not causing any errors. Actually, we don't even have to we just have to go s equals that. Debug log s. Okay. Oh, I'm going to move the settings location up into here as well. And that becomes a pure data type. Right. That's fine. Replace this with S. Right. Let's try that. What happens now? Ah, of course. We have to actually save the changes. Things recompile and we get errors. Setting is missing a class attribute. Extension's native class. Oh. Cannot do. Is that? That's weird. Let's clear these. Clear. Run. Okay. It's missing class attribute. Extension's native class. Blah blah. Get current call stack. Okay. That's an error message I've never seen before. Okay. So that's not what we wanted. What it is missing the class attribute extension of a class. Okay. Same error. Stop. Okay. Just static. Components. Ah, okay. So one of these because that's no longer a right, because I've stopped it being a mono behavior. Actually got to make it something else. But I can't have it be a mono behavior because it can't be serialized. What other things are there in the Unity hierarchy? Unity class hierarchy. Okay. Boner. Object. So right. That's documentation that leads to nowhere. Here. Checked. Can I make it just a component? What a behavior. Component. Let's save that. Let's clear those things. Go again. Reference on transcripts and scene file. It's in the class attribute. Attention native class. No. So it can't do it as a component. Actually, just double check. Oh, right. I just got to switch it over to Settings Manager. Gonna see project. Is that? Can I just go Settings Manager there? But it calls itself Settings. So it's sensitive to the name of the file itself. Let's see. So let's call that one Settings. Call here Settings Data. And we'll have to set that to Settings Data. This to Settings Data. Right. Let's save this again and go for another go. Clear. Yep, excellent. That is kind of what I wanted to see. So, I'm going to have to change all of these ones. So, settings, better. Gonna have to look at all the other ones. Is that the only one? It's gonna be a settings data rather than just a settings. Save. Got some new errors. Okay, settings can only. Right. Ah, okay. Where is it getting settings from? Settings data. Right. Oh, we've got less error messages. We've got preferences not set to its instance, not artist. Am I frozen? Nope. Okay. Review across here. Really need my new glasses. I am wandering. Configuration. Graphics. Tier, where is it? Preferences. UI scaling. See. 200. I'll need to restart for it to take effect. Let's just pop back to my room. Okay, and quickly restart my copy of Unity. There, close that. Save. Exit. And I'm just going to restart my copy of Unity. Hopefully with bigger UI. That's looking slightly hopeful. Yep, got a large text edition now. It's slightly easier for me to read with my poor eyesight. Go to run. Get current. Stack. Oh, you have an error. So if it's not set to a instance of an object. Okay. This owner text. It's not set to an object, so this is in settings panel behavior. Pretty sure that's on settings panel. That's canvas renderer. Settings panel behavior. So it needs settings data. Can we just drop that in there? No, we can't. Right. Oh, I think I have a solution. So let's go to settings, which has already has an object as settings data. We make this one public. Why is that? Oh, it's lowercase. Public. Save that. Now we go into settings behavior. Oh. Wonder why it behavior. We actually have it refer to settings. Settings s dot. I have to go through all of these and all of these as well. Oh. So be a nice quick workaround. Right. So we will have, after we save this, let's go game. Right. Let's tell it to maximize. Oh. Clear. Go. Oh, is that working? Now that everything's this so much bigger, I think I'm gonna have to set it to maximize on play. Come on. That's worrying. Ah, that's fine. Unless we haven't had the settings set up yet. Yep. So, drag settings back into there. That's fine. Clear all those. I'm not sure what that error message means. It's a little bit worrying that it's recursively firing off. Oh, what is our error? Object reference it not sends to an instance of an object. I thought we'd fixed that. I thought we had just fixed that problem. Unless I fixed it while we were running the program itself and it went away. Yep, it can do that. So settings panel. No, that's set there. So everything's set. Reference set, not set to an instance. of an object. What's our other message? Okay, so clear those away. Go. What does that? Okay. Settings. Unless that means it's not getting populated. Hold on. That's there. Settings. None. But you, on startup, should populate yourself. Unless something else is happening. So, let's clear all the error messages again. Run. Right, this isn't populated. But it should be immediately populated by the actual running of the script. So why isn't that happening? We're not getting a sort of like a debug log statement. So let's copy that over here. Say start might be a race condition. So I think we can get around it. Save that. We'll also hide the settings panel. There we go. Now if we run it, I can't. Oh, that was cool. Immediately dropped out of there. Start, stack water for destroy. Okay. Objects does not set. Object reference not sets to an instance of the object. In the settings panel. Right. Oh. Are these... instance of object. They're not getting populated correctly. Start. Settings. So S equals null. It's new settings data. Okay. let's have a sort of like a fall through that we'll just reset it to blank if the settings aren't set correctly. Okay, let's run again. Populate that. Object reference not set to. What's happening in there? Getting that. We look at that. It's got none. That should actually be populated. Let's have a look at what we logged. So we log start, then we get a blank. Let's zoom up to get more of this thing. So get crystal stack, custom log, object. So it does hit here, and this has nothing in it. But copy that. So just do another log. Start, save you, stop you, clear, and run. See how we go. Yep. So it's set to null. That is weird. Because we set it to... Oh! The classics. Yeah. Right. But that did not fix the problem. You are still null. Does not support types. Oh. That's weird. I thought we have blah 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 to JSON in settings. It's not an engine type. It's just S. Ah, component. So take you away from being component again. Right. Okay. Null settings data. It's not a game. What it is see how, actually, hold on. See how chat comes up on the screen behind me here? that currently is done via a very hacky method using basically an internal web browser inside OBS. What I'm doing now is what I want to do is use the YouTube API to actually extract the text properly and cleanly. So after this finished, the text that comes up on the screen here will be done through an API rather than a hacky web site. So, and the reason why I'm using Unity is because this avatar and all of my other stuff is built out of Unity, so I can do more text integration and stuff once that's going. And at the moment, there we go. Plus also by learning Unity I can start programming games in it later on if I want to. So we're still getting a situation where this is not being populated correctly. Let's say if not. Is that the way you do not in Unity? Is the way you do it in C. Is the way you do it in C. So you'd think it would be the way you do it in C#. Hello? Are we getting a... Okay. Compiler errors. What have we got? No. Never used. Cannot be used as an operand of the type. Okay. Parsing. Hello! How are you going? I am going quite well at the moment. Apart from the fact that I seem to not know how to do basic programming. Can you repeat what I'm doing to say yes or no? Hello, can you repeat what I'm doing to say yes or no? I don't understand the question you are saying, so I can't answer it. Here we go. Right, save that. That will recompile. We're getting this object must reference not set. Let's have a look at our debugging log. Why can't we see more of that? There we go. I can see the Japanese. I can't read the Japanese. Konnichiwa. Oh, konnichiwa. Watashi ka... Ooh. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa... Honi... Sorry, it's gone beyond my ability to read Japanese. There we go. References to... Let's clear these errors and try and run it again. Oh! It worked! It's working, sort of. I can't show it. Can't do Japanese, but it's working there. But when I hit that, it crashes again. Reference not set. Asset setting behavior 38. This is the problem again. Word Mundo. Oh! It's nice to see another Southern Hemispherian in the chat. I hope you are doing well. What I'm going to do, let's go log. It's the have a look at our settings here. Debug log. Copy that. Go over to that one here. And I will go like that. I think settings and copy this, say this. We'll see what's not being set, shall we? Ah. I knew a couple of people who spoke Brazilian Portuguese. They were learning it because they were interested in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. There we go. Look at our comments. Oh, we're getting information now. Right. That's there. Settings data, after stack, settings data, settings panel. Hola, hola. Ah, okay. Wonder why that is like that. Oi, oi. Actually, that's also very Australian. That's what we call out at sporting events. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. So this is in settings panel. Hola, amigo. I know that one. That means friend, doesn't it? Hey. Get current stack. So this is in the settings behavior. And it's not. Oh. I can't. Oi, ami comedia? Is that how you say it? Right. Okay, so I love food. Okay. It's a very common sentiment across all the world. So, let's say King's S to string. Right. Let's try that. Why are you complaining? We'll find out when we run, shall we? Click. The voice, the VTuber O voice, +1 sub. Yay! I get another sub. Excellent. Can't convert from method group to object. Oh yeah. I think that's because C# is a Lisp 2. There we go. Right. Oh, that crashed. No, it didn't. Here we go. Food. And we crash again. Oh, don't get any log data. Because the computer does not like me. But at least we know what is causing the problem. For some reason, these are not being set correctly. So let's go back. Can we go settings to string like that? Save that. And we go run. We pop out here. Oh, we got lots of errors. It's the same one. Line 40. So in the logs, do we see... We see anything from here? This is the one before. We're not seeing anything useful. Oh, I do not like these types of problems. Right. Let's stop here. We're going to stick, let's see, a breakpoint. Insert a breakpoint there. So now, when the program runs, it's going to stop at this point, and we can look at it manually. So we go run. Here we go. Now it's stopped here, so we can have a look at what's the values. So, settings has popped that out. Settings data. Oh, all of these substructures are all set to null. That's our problem. That is easy enough to fix. Right. Let's go into settings, where we have the initial value. This settings data thing here. It's dot normal equals all of these will be populated using chat colors. Copy this. So new chat color. Is that how we do? How did we do the new? Yeah. So new chat color. Dot moderator equals new sending starter chat color. Now you want the dot chat color like that. Dot. We won't do super chats yet. Verified equals new super cat dot origin moderator dot normal moderator verified. What else do we have? Member dot member. Okay, I think we've got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal moderator. Owner. Stop. Owner. Because there we go. And we are running. And we'll run this. Awesome. And we'll change normal color to blue. And change owner color to yellow. Now, got to find out how. The problem is we scaled this the wrong way. Right. Okay, can we have it come up? Oh, that's not what we want. Can we change the scale so it's smaller again? Free aspect. Nope. Okay. Well, looks like we have fixed that problem that we were having, where the it's fine. Okay. So we fixed the problem we were having where it's not saving correctly. Now it's saving and rendering out. Things are getting populated. So I'm going to say it's quite successful. I'm going to wait and get my eyes fixed a bit more so that we can have a reasonable sized UI and not go blind. So I'm going to pop back to my and we are back in my main room. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Let's have a look. What are we playing tomorrow? We will be playing some more Kerbal Space Program. So I will see you there. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope to see you soon.